just going to install this phone mount I got from Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description on my new Defender. So it clamps onto the rail there. So it comes with a little Allen key, which is handy. And you want to unscrew those bolts. So we'll take those out in a second. Hold on. All right, bolts are moved. That's the top piece. So you got a hook on the back, and I'm pretty sure that's got a hook over the foam here. Now, it might mark your stuff here. So if you're really concerned, maybe wrap something around it, but the edges were a little bit sharp, and I actually just smoothed them off, but with some, just a little bit of sandpaper is all I did, because it's only made of alloy. So that's got a hook in. There it goes. It's hooked in the back. So that's actually fairly secure there. Now looking at the position, I don't want to be blocking my screen too much, but I want it not behind my steering wheel. Okay. Now we need to get the bottom half, and I guess we'll just drop in the bolts for now. And get the little, so it comes with an Allen key, so that's ready. So I can stick that in there and get that ready to go. So I can just put that bottom piece on. The bottom piece kind of hooks as well, and that's going to hook up underneath, I suppose. So we'll just try to get it lined up and get one of the screws started. Because it's foam, you got to squeeze it and get it going, but I can't really do that with one hand. So hold on a sec. I'll have to put the phone down and actually, we can just jam it in here, the steering wheel. Okay. Just need to get those started. Okay, got that one started. Okay, there we go. Both are started, so we can just tighten those up. You see how that clamps up underneath? And we'll go a little bit on one, a little bit on the other. That way we can get it nice and even pressure as it tightens up. Now, of course, there's no torque sitting on this kind of thing, but we'll just go fairly snug, so I don't want this bouncing off, of course, and you can see it tightening up on the side. The two pieces coming together. This is a really nice mount, actually. Some of them online for the exact same thing were expensive. This one was really cheap, and they're all the same. So now we've got that. Best I can do that way. We'll use the long end of this. It's just alloy blocks, so I don't want to strip it out. There, that's not going anywhere. Ooh, we get the satisfaction of removing the film. And I can't film my putting my phone in there, but it just drops in and locks in. There we go. So that is sturdy as. So it's got a ball and swivel on it. I've seen them before. You can get it with a magnet one, but I wanted the one with the clip because I don't like the magnet phone. But yeah, just tighten that up, secure it to the position. But we now have a very solid phone mount. Perfect. Didn't take long at all. What do we got here? About 5 minutes? Fantastic. So I'll put the link in the description for the Amazon seller for that. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. That's something I always struggle with. The vent ones on this you can't really use because they're so far up here, and I don't like the windscreen ones because the windscreen's, you know, quite far away. You got little pockets and things to put things, but you can also, obviously, because you can reach behind here, you can run a charge cable from behind and up and get it out of the way. That's pretty cool. Okay, there we go. Take your phone, drop it in. That's it, locked secure, easy to reach. Take it out, done. So that's a great mount. I'm happy with that. That's yeah, nice and solid. So highly recommend those ones from Amazon.